Seeing the growing trend of tea consumption amongst the people in our city, we had been contemplating starting a business for storing and distributing tea. We tried searching about the tea business in India online. However, it was difficult to get a one-step website that provides information on various aspects of tea business. On further exploring various websites, we came across AssamTeaSellers.in website. Initially, we thought that the website would be all about sales of tea by Assam tea manufacturers. However, on closely reading the website, we found that the site contains all the information needed for an outsider to understand all about the tea business. The website is a goldmine of information regarding tea business in India. The website lists all the different types of tea available with manufacturers in Assam, along with their photographs. The website provides photographs of actual tea samples without any digital modifications. Care is taken to provide comprehensive information about all types of tea available. The differences between all types of tea, hard to grasp terms like primary, secondary, and RTP are easily explained through. AssamTeaSellers are extremely transparent when it comes to pricing and service offered. The website aims to eliminate the middleman in the tea industry by helping both small and large businessmen directly contact with the tea manufacturer. Pricing information on web page is extremely easy to understand. They follow an approach of providing standard pricing for tea so that everyone buying similar quantities in equally placed in terms of pricing. Often marketers sell their products to unaware buyers without educating their clients. They educate their customers on all aspects of running a tea business. Information on sourcing, branding, storing, stocking, tea packaging and serving is provided on the website in plain and lucid language. They even explain in a greater the right time to buy tea from Assam so that tea lasts longer. In our opinion, the biggest differentiating factors of this website are the tea guide and expert pages. The tea guide page lists out in detail the various aspects of running a tea business. It contains information of the profitability aspects of various kinds of tea. The page also offers information on the branding aspect of Assam tea and ways of establishing tea brands in local markets. The expert page is one of its kinds. The web page has numerous insightful articles on tea written by experts in this field. Information regarding various additives, flavors and blends is available from experts on this page. Various areas of the country are provided here. The business proposals are extremely thorough, meticulous and provide real-life examples by businessmen in this field. In the articles, you also come across difficulties faced by businessmen in this field. In the articles, you come across difficulties faced by businessmen and ways to overcome the challenges while running the tea business. Information on running a tea business through online channels is also shared for people who want to start a part-time tea business. On the whole, AssamTeaSellers.in is not only an excellent place to order tea for business, but also a great resource that helps to understand all aspects of the tea business and help you excel as a tea businessman.